This video will explain a few key parts of the turtle's dialog box. If you do a right click on a turtle, its dialog box will open. At the top, you'll see the word name and probably this, T1. Every time you add a turtle to your project, the name by default will start with a T and then the number of this specific turtle. For example, if you add a second turtle now and do a right click on it, you'll see that its name is T2. It's a good idea to give your turtles a name that is more meaningful than T1 or T2. I want one of my turtles to look like the sun, and I want the sun to grow and shrink. I'll use the click and click method to put the sun clip art on the turtle. I'm also going to rename my turtle. I'll right click the sun now and change its name from T1 to sun. There are some rules for naming turtles. The name cannot be a word that Lynx already knows, like forward, or names that are already used for other turtles. It also cannot be more than one word. If you want to get the sun shrinking and growing, not the other turtle on the page, start your instruction by addressing the specific turtle like this. Sun, repeat 10, set size 30, weight 2, set size 50, weight 2. Mentioning the name of a specific turtle followed by a comma, make sure all the commands given after that will be done by that specific turtle. Don't forget the comma after the name of the turtle. Right below the name field, you'll see two fields with the current X core and Y core of your turtle. These two numbers represent the position of the turtle on the Cartesian plane. X core is short for X coordinate, and you can guess what Y core is short for. All turtles start in the center of the page at the 0, 0 position. You can drag your turtle anywhere on the page and right-click on it to find its X-coordinate and Y-coordinate. This can be useful information if you want your turtle to start in a very specific position of the page. We'll explain on click, on touch, on message, and on color in another video. At the bottom, you'll see the visible field. Normally, you want it checked so the turtle is visible, but there could be a time when you want the turtle invisible. For example, perhaps on the last page of your project, you want to have a button that says, "This project was done by." The user will click on the button and a picture of you will appear. The frozen field, if checked, means the turtle cannot move from its current position. This can be useful if you have added the arrows, buttons, and clip art, and you want a clickable turtle to stay in the bottom left corner or bottom right corner. A user cannot drag the arrow anywhere else on the page. A frozen turtle still follows commands that are given to it from the command center or from a procedure. Have a turtle you don't want or need anymore? Put it in the trash can. Careful, once it's in the trash can, it's gone forever. Don't forget to click Apply to keep your changes. That's all for now. Now you know about the turtle's dialog box, why it's a good idea to name turtles, how to change the name, an easy way to find out the turtle's coordinates, and how to quickly hide the turtle and freeze it so it cannot be moved. Have fun with Lynx.